Hey TechKnowStuds! Another very popular operating system, at least for desktops and laptops, is the macOS. So in this lesson, let's explore the macOS and what it looks like. This is the Mac operating system, and we call it macOS. The macOS has a kernel that's called XNU, or XNU stands for X is not Unix, because it's no longer Unix. It is built off of a Unix-like system, FreeBSD, but this is what a Mac looks like. Across the bottom, we find all of our apps. Here on the left side are all the apps that are pinned to here. So if I want to unpin this, I can right-click on this and say, remove from dock. So I can remove it from the dock, and now it's unpinned from there. I have this little line here, and to the right here are the programs that are live. So this is a program that's live and operating. And then across the top here, we've got our menu items. So then I can scroll through and see the menu items. And these are going to change depending on which apps I have open. And then I have a few other things across here on the top, like the wireless connection and if, some settings and things I can set across the top here. So that's what this looks like. So let's open up a window in here and see what it looks like. I'm going to go to the Finder here. And one thing we see about the Windows that's different than other machines that we saw is that the X and the minimize and stuff is all over here on the left-hand side. So the windows look a little different. I can click on applications and see what applications are on this machine. The calculator, I can open up the calculator and we can take a look at the calculator. I've always really liked the interface of the Mac. In fact, I started out on Mac, so I do really like them. I'm not a big fan of supporting them in a lot of businesses because it can be difficult to do. But from a user perspective, it's got a really nice interface and feels great.